In this video, so I'm going to show you how you can fix faults on your Bosch Tassimo machine. If it's leaking water from the back, make sure that this is fully seated down. So take it out, push it all the way down. Make sure that there's no scale build up on this area here or this area here. If you have a problem where it's not detecting there's water in it, make sure that the float is free to move. You can see the float's free to move. If it's not, you can always take the little lid off the top here. You can take the float out and you can make sure that it's nice and clean and there's no scale build up. Then you put it back in, it doesn't matter which way it goes, and this pops back on the top. Make a note of which way it came off. This little ridge here is on the top. So make sure that's nice and free. Now at the front of the machine, lift it up. You've got to make sure everything in here is nice and clean. You can take this out by lifting it up and pulling it out. Give that a nice good wash. You can also take out this here. So if you have a problem with restricted water coming out, make sure that it's fully clean in here and in here. You can get a Q-tip and you can put it right the way down through the middle here. Yep. And make sure that that is nice and clean. Make sure that this is clean here as well. Run it under some warm water. It also separates, so clean up all the bits around here. Also, clean up the barcode reader here because the barcode reader might be dirty. This is the barcode reader here. Give that a real good clean. Also, if you've noticed there's just a fault on one of your pods, it could be because the barcode is all crinkled up. So just straighten out the barcodes and hopefully then it'll be able to read it. As well as that, this is where the water comes shooting out of, just here. So make sure that this area is nice and clean as well. Once you've done all that, you should find that hopefully it will work okay. This goes together here with that bit into there and clicks back in home like so. And with this one, you just put the flat area on the top and place it in like so and drop it down. So apart from that, there's not really much more that can go wrong with these machines, unless of course it has a fault on the inside. Also, you could try descaling it as well if you have a problem with lack of water coming out. You do have this little thing at the side here that helps you descale. So that is it. If this video's helped you out, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.